Okay, so I wanted to show you guys right now. I know I have no makeup on. Basically I have been thinking about coloring my hair and I couldn't decide if I wanted to do blue or pink. Now I was thinking about blue for a long time at first. I'm kind of nervous, that's why I sound like this. A while back ago I went to Sally's and I bought myself this hair dye. It's called Manic Panic Rockabilly Blue. Recently, I know you guys have seen my videos where my hair is dark and now you see it a completely different color. Now what I decided to do is that I bought a color remover, a hair color remover, which is called color, oops, I'm sorry I don't have it here because I did it a while back. So anywho, as you can see here, when I applied it, I have different shades now in my hair because again, I was trying to remove the dye, the dark dye, and I did not want to do any bleaching or anything like that that was gonna, you know, damage my hair. And I'm not an expert, so I don't know, I was just too scared to do bleaching. I don't want to put my hair through so much. This is the end result. It I don't know if you can see here, like I can see it actually is picking up on camera like a little bit of the red color. If you have been subscribed to me, you will see that when I first started my channel, my hair was bright red. So yeah, so I do see it here how it's picking up because when I put the color, oops, obviously I removed the dark and it brought back up old colors that I used to have. So hopefully the blue will cover everything and it will just be different shades of blue and not like, you know, green and crazy colors. I don't mind if it has a little, who knows, maybe right here it'll be a little bit hint of purple since it has some of the red, which I don't mind actually because I was looking at a lot of colors and I did like the color blue, the color purple, the color pink, and who knows if it goes well with this one. The good thing about Manic Panic is that it washes out. It's not a permanent hair dye. It's a semi-permanent hair color, and I have seen other girls do videos on these, and for them they always recommend for you after you color it, and the bottle itself tells you as well. It says do not, ready to use, not mix with peroxide, wear protective gloves to avoid staining, apply to clean dry hair, which my hair, I washed it last night, so it's clean and it's drying, so that's good. It says saturate hair thoroughly, avoiding your scalp, cover hair in plastic cap and leave on for at least 30 minutes, rinse hair in cool water until it runs almost clear, fades gradually with each shampoo. So I think that's why they want us to apply it with clean hair. So we just remove it with cold water and do not apply any shampoo at all because obviously the shampoo is gonna make it fade faster. So basically what I did is I grabbed the bowl, I grabbed the plastic spoon. I didn't buy any crazy tools, so as you can see I have these, and I have some gloves that I got from the Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I thank God I found a pair. And what I did is that I bought 2 of them. I am going to put them together in here, mix it up. Obviously, look, it tells you that it's ready to use, so I'm not adding anything else. I have seen that other people like to add conditioner because they want to like dilute it. I don't want to dilute it. I'm gonna keep it exactly like this because I want to see how it's gonna grab onto my hair. And yeah, I think that's about it. So anyhow, I'll be back. Now, a huge disclaimer: I am not a professional hairstylist. I have not gone to school for that. I just created this video because for me, before I bought this color, I actually looked it up on YouTube, and you know, any color or anything like makeup or things like that, I love to look on YouTube and see others that have tried it before, you know, to see how it came out for them. So I wanted to do a video where you guys can look up the Manic Panic semi-permanent hair dye, because it's not permanent. I wanted you guys to have you know, an updated video. We're in 2019. I really hope that this video helps you guys see the results, how it came out for me. Fingers crossed. I'm really hoping that it comes out really good. So regardless if it comes out good or bad, I'm gonna show it on here, because you know what, it's better to show the good and the bad, so you guys, if you are in the same boat as me, then you won't make the same mistake. Or if it comes out good, hey, who knows, it might work for you too. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and take that chance, and let's see how it comes out. So if you want to see how it comes out, just keep watching. You know what, I'm gonna start like this first. Let's start with this one. Okay, and get the other out of the way. And just like that, I'm just gonna grab it with my hands and start applying it. I gotta say, this I like the smell. The smell's not, you know, doesn't have a strong, horrible smell, which is great. Oh my gosh, so as I mentioned in the beginning of my video, I told you guys that I used I don't know if any of you have used Color Oops to take out the hair dye from your hair. I don't know if you guys use that product. It smells like rotten eggs. Oh my god, like I didn't even know that it did that. I should have, you know how I told you guys that I like to look it up before I buy something, and I didn't look it up. I didn't look up that product. Oh my goodness, it was such a big like surprise for me when I, you know, started applying it, and it smells so bad. It made my bathroom smell, my living room, my whole house was smelling like rotten eggs because of the freaking Color Oops hair dye removal thing. It smelled horrible, and I was trying to get it done before my husband gets home from work. And oh my gosh, when he got home from work, the smell was just horrible. And my hair, I washed my hair like 2 or 3 times, and the smell was terrible. I was so embarrassed, like, to even hug him, because the smell was terrible. Even like, ugh, on my pillows and everything. But anyways, I'm glad that smell is gone. So just a FYI, if you are gonna remove your dark hair color and use that, oof, it smells so bad. Okay. So it's so crazy. I'm pretty sure that my ends are gonna be more bright, just because my ends look like it's the lightest. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright, so for the, as you can see here, I'm using my hands, nothing too special. I'm applying it on here. Now for the rest of the video, I'm going to speed this up. And then I'm pretty sure you guys just want to see the end results, so stay tuned. There's no going back now. There's no going back now. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I am putting blue hair dye on my hair. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, my love, so just a quick update. I look crazy. So basically what I did is you know, you guys saw me, I applied the hair color and I put a plastic bag over my head, and basically I'm gonna put a timer on here. What I actually read up on this hair dye, it's a vegan hair dye, and it's not permanent or anything like that, so it does not damage your hair. And I read up on it, and I heard you could even fall asleep with it, but I am not going to be doing that. We want to keep it on as long as possible, just to make sure that, you know, I get some type of blue in my hair. fingers crossed, I have some blue in my hair. So yeah, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, my love, so here is an update on my after results. Okay, I'm really upset. Today's day 2. Well, yeah, today's day 2. And basically what I did afterwards, I followed the instructions. I washed my hair with only cold water. That's all I put in my hair, cold water. And as soon as I started doing that, oh my god, I was so miserable, first of all, with the cold water, and then second of all, this went everywhere, literally all over my bathtub, all over my skin, my whole everything. I had to stay in there. First of all, I had to stay in the shower, scrubbing my shower like crazy just to try to get it off, like all that blue dye off of my bathtub. It completely stained the bottom of my bathtub. It stained, as you can see, my skin. Look at this, look at this. I mean, I understand that there are colors that bleed. I've had red hair and it wasn't this bad. It wasn't a thing where like my whole bathtub is red and my skin and everything. And I did wear gloves in the beginning when I was, see how blue? When I was applying it. Now, yes, I did not wear gloves in the shower. I should have. I'm thinking about that, but that still doesn't cover the fact that even if I would have wore gloves, it still would have stained my body. Look at this. I mean, I'm happy with the blue tint that is showing. Yes, I'm happy the fact that my hair grabbed it, despite of the fact that, you know, I mean, it looks darker. You guys saw my before, how lighter my hair was, but for some weird reason it turned my hair dark at the top, as you can see, and then the only parts that had blue is from here down, which it kind of looks like an ombre effect. Like when I put it sideways like this, I love how this blue looks. When I went outside, I love how the color looks, but it's embarrassing. Okay, it's embarrassing having everything tinted. You can't wear a tank top. So my advice to you guys is, if you dare to use this you know, blue hair dye, then I would honestly, if I knew I was gonna do this, I would have just gone outside and used my water hose outside, wore gloves, you know, bent down, and just washed it outside. Okay, I would have avoided all this staining crap, and most likely it wouldn't have, you know, gotten all over my body the way it did. Anyways, I wanted to come back on here and show you guys how my hair turned out. You can see it did grab the blue. I did not use any bleach in my hair and it still grabbed on the blue, but I do recommend you guys to, if you are gonna use it, just wash your hair outside, because it will stain. I hope this video helps you guys out a lot, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.